In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add computer or mobile device expenses in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a purchase, choose the right category, attach your receipt, and when necessary, treat the item as a fixed asset so your books stay clean and accurate. Start by opening a new expense. In QuickBooks Online, select the plus sign and choose Expense. This form is where you record money spent from a bank account, credit card, or cash when you buy a computer, tablet, or phone for the business. Begin with the vendor and payment details. In the payee field, enter the store or seller's name as it appears on the receipt. Choose the payment account you used, like your business checking or the specific credit card. Pick the payment method, cash, check, or card, and set the payment date to the date on the purchase receipt. Getting these right helps your bank reconciliation and reports line up later. Next, categorize the expense. In the category field, select the account that fits your accounting policy, such as computer and internet expenses, office equipment, mobile devices or cell phones, or technology or IT expenses. If you're not sure which one to use, follow your chart of accounts or check with your accountant so your reporting stays consistent. Add a clear description so you recognize the purchase later. Something like iPhone 15 Pro, business use, including the model or the team member if helpful. Enter the full amount, including taxes, fees, and shipping, so your total cost is captured accurately. If you bought more than one device in a single transaction, you can either split the purchase into separate lines, one per device for better tracking, or keep it on one line and describe all items in the description field. Add your documentation by clicking Attach File and uploading the invoice or receipt. Keeping a copy here is invaluable for audits, warranty claims, and future questions. If the device was purchased specifically for a client project, mark it as billable and assign the correct customer or project so you can pass the cost through on an invoice. When everything looks good, save the transaction using Save and Close or choose Save and New to enter another purchase. For higher cost computers or phones that should be capitalized, create a fixed asset account first. Go to Settings, open Chart of Accounts, choose New, set the account type